Hi, it's Romeo Caporaso from Tax Accounting Adelaide. Thank you for coming to our website and watching this little video. I'm going to just tell you a little bit about what our philosophy is and what's a little bit different about us. Some of the problems that you may be having that we help a lot of clients with is we've taken over a lot of clients which have had previous accountants who don't help them with problems outside of their tax return. And we're different in that way, in that we ask what you want to achieve and make sure that we have time to work with you on non-bookkeeping, non-tax return, non-BAS return issues of your business, because we understand you've got a lot more problems in your business than tax and BASs. We make the time for you to actually achieve your goals and work on your business problems. A lot of new clients that we have may be having problems keeping their bookkeeping up to date, and we work with you to make sure that you get the most possible efficient bookkeeping system that you have, an accounting system, so that you're not spending too much resources on bookkeeping and that you spend more time on more value-adding activity in your business, such as selling and improving business processes. Businesses, and this is quite important to them, they don't want to spend too much time compiling all the information for their accountant. They sort of think that's quite difficult and something they always put off. With us, we make that a lot easier. We work with a lot of online accounting software packages, which means that we can actually receive your banking information directly from banks by way of bank feed, so that the information you have to give us is quite minimal. And again, the time we save here goes back to what I said earlier. We can spend that on more valuable things and improving your business. Some of the clients I've recently had have come to me and they've said, I spend too much time on MyOb, it just takes so long. Or they may be saying, I've got a bookkeeper, but they just seem to take a long time to actually do the hours of bookkeeping, and I just can't really justify the expenditure of having a bookkeeper. It takes so long to do the bookkeeping. I agree with that problem, and that is a big problem, and I feel it's quite unjust that a lot of Australian businesses do have to do a lot of the tax work and bookkeeping for the Australian tax system. So I'll work closely with businesses and find what's best to them to make the process as easy and as efficient as possible. And sometimes it may mean we look at other software packages other than MyOb. Although MyOb can be fine for some businesses, there can be better online solutions, which I mentioned earlier. There can be ways of making it fast through the bank feed system of the online accounting software packages, and also maybe looking at some staff conditions whereby you've got the wrong resource mix and people aren't spending enough time on actually making the process smoother. Some clients have come to me saying that their accountant is always a bit too busy and they're very difficult to contact. I'm not got a lot of time for my clients. Basically, I'm available. It's not a 9 to 5 job for me. If there are urgent matters, and I appreciate there are sometimes urgent things that come up with small business and medium business problems, I am available to help you with those problems, even if they're not related to tax returns. There can be really critical issues like a cash flow difficulty that the business may be having, and I'm always willing to help you get more clients if things are quite difficult for the business at the moment. I have a lot of businesses come to me with this problem that they don't really know what's most important to do in their business. They just need someone to guide them, to tell them, look, where do I put my time into first? And without being a business coach, I can actually actively help you in many ways in this area. And what I try and do is work with you and using accounting to actually improve your business. And the way we do this is to meet regularly, have updated accounting information, review the accounting information, and also use that as a platform to discuss current problems in the business, work on areas that need to be improved in the business, keeping that in line with maybe your current business plan or other organisational objectives that are going on at the time. An accountant can have a bit of an external viewpoint from your business and may be able to give you some advice and see things a bit more objectively than you can in your own business. And this is a valuable way you can use me as your accountant and business advisor to help use your accounting to improve your business. Of course, often accountants are seen as being too expensive. The way I approach fee structures is a little bit more differently than most other accountants. Rather than being a per hour charge, I don't work that way. I try to tell you, look, if I'm efficient at what I do, then it's worth a certain amount of money to you. You know, it's not a matter of me taking, if you pay your accountant per hour or your bookkeeper per hour, that's actually rewarding in efficiency. So I'd like to work efficiently with you using some of the systems that I've told you before, like online accounting software packages, which make your life easier and my life easier as well. And we actually get more time to actually put that into business improvement processes and things like that. But I always give you a complete package, a complete accounting solution, which includes maybe assistance with bookkeeping. I prefer you to have your own resources for bookkeeping, but we can talk about improving your bookkeeping systems, including an online accounting software package if you don't already have one, or you consider moving away from MYOB, although you can continue to have MYOB. But additionally, I factor into your package your BAS returns and your tax returns, and as well as that, we have time for you to do the other important things, like have time with me to discuss your regular financial performance, have time with me to have improvement in your business, discuss business problems, or even business planning, or even occasionally meet and have a board meeting if that's required, where you discuss recent performance of your business and keep that in line with what's going on with your business planning. I also give value to you in the form of advice during the year. I factor in to the complete package that you do need time to say, ring me up and say, how do I do this on MYOB, or how do I do this on the accounting software package that I'm using, or what do I need to do about this staff problem. And those little issues are important to you and also part of your accounting package. I want to just talk about some of the features that you'll normally get when you're a client of ours. You'll normally be maybe quite interested in being an online accounting software package. You'll be able to share data with me. You'll be able to give me information online, and also I'll be able to give you information online. We can work this way and it is more efficient, but if this is too hard for you, then we can work in other ways. This will give you better management information because you've got regularly updated financial information, so you can manage your business better. You'll find that you'll spend a lot less time on bookkeeping, reduce the cost of bookkeeping, and you'll have more time to spend on improving business practices and services. You'll be able to get out there and sell while people are working on the net, working on your accounting, rather than you opening up offices for people to come in and get onto your computer. A feature of working with us as well is to have regular accounting meetings with us. Time is spent on managing the past and future directions of the business. We review your recent financial performance to make sure things are going smoothly, as well as look at where we want to head to as well. Business is going from being not very proactive to actually being more proactive and looking forward strategies and knowing where they urgently need to do to get to where they want to go. A feature of working with us is we're not just about tax returns. We work with businesses and normal day-to-day problems associated with running their business. We appreciate their tax returns are only a small part of their business life. This approach is normally leads to businesses from being not sure and of where they want, what they need to do, to probably a position of stronger profitability, better business processes. They get more things done that are good strategies for their business, and they actually increase their profits. And this is something that's important and why we get results. A feature of working with us is we have personal and accessible service. We're able to meet clients at times which suit them. Clients are going from never being able to talk to their accountant and coming to us and finding we're very accessible and having a time that we'll spend time with them, things that are really urgent to them and are in line with where they want their businesses to go, and overcoming fears of certain problems they've got in their business so they can get on and do more other things in their business. Our product is backed by our website. Our website provides lots and lots of wonderful, useful information for small businesses and individual tax returns. Our clients are going from having to visit their accountants for everything rather than basically, and then coming to us, and then some of the information they need is actually already on our website, and they're learning and educating themselves so that they can get more and more out of their business advisors with us. So they are now better educated about the accounting processes and being able to make better decisions from it, or being better prepared so they can get things done. Our services are backed by an extensive business referral network. Our business has grown and it's capable of referring you to lots of experts in areas such as IT, human resources, financial planning, or obtaining finance and business coaching. So instead of you going to unrecommended or untried people for services, getting ripped off or getting dodgy people, bad services, we give you people that we've used and liked and recommend, and that's going to save you time and resources by finding good people in business to deal with. A feature of working with us is we will streamline your accounting department to provide the resources and strategy to have efficient and best practice in your accounting. Clients are going from continuous, urgent and unproductive work practices to taking time to work on their businesses and having better systems and strategy to improve their accounting department. So in other words, they stop, sharpen the blade and cut through much faster by having a much more effective, efficient team and processes. A feature of our services is we provide lots and lots, and we love small business marketing support. We show by doing this that, again, we're doing much more than just your BAS and tax returns, but sharing some of our knowledge that we've had success in, including business networking and online marketing. So there's some of the transformations that are going on is clients are coming to us desperate to seek new clients, but they don't know how. We're providing simple, low-cost ways of small businesses to use marketing or online tactics or other small business ideas to improve their performance and get clients and ease their cash flow and improve their profitability. So give us a call now on 8337 4460. I understand that you don't want to come on board to an accountant that you hardly know, so I give a free consultation and we'll have a chat and get to know me, and I recommend that it's a good fit for both of us, so that you find someone that can be a really strong influence and captain to your business. It's a very important role, something I'd love to meet you about. So give me a call, or you can contact me on my website, which is taxaccountingadelaide.com.au, and you can see some of that free information that I was talking about as well, and hopefully give you a taste of what we can do to help your business. Thanks. I'm Romeo Caporaso from Tax Accounting Adelaide.